Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to use Morocco withdrawal method on Lollipop Live app. So the first thing you have to do is to log into your Lollipop Live app. The next thing is to log into Lollipop Live account and click on the me icon found at the bottom of your screen. Click on the T-point option. Now click on the cash out option. Click on withdraw option. Click on currency type. Select the Morocco option. Click on the payment method. So right here on my payment method, Morocco have not been included. The payment method have not been included. So all you have to do is to head straight to your feedback option and make a request that Lollipop app should add payment method on Lollipop Live app. You add a screenshot of the payment method and submit. Lollipop will give you reply within 24 hours. But if you don't want to wait for all this process and you have maybe paper accounts, you just have to go back and select any of the withdrawal method of your choice and then complete your transaction or withdraw your fund. So guys, I hope this video was able to guide you on how to withdraw on Lollipop Live. If this video was helpful, do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Hit the notification bell to always get notified anytime I upload helpful tips like this.